Alright guys, I'm back for more headaches with the Simtoo Fairy. So what I want to check now is because it's on optical only indoors. So what I want to see is if it's the GPS module causing all these errors and all this BS. So if this thing flies the whole battery indoors here, then that's going to be the problem. I mean, I'm trying to sit here and figure this out, but the times I flew it inside, I never had a problem. But I didn't use the app. But now I'm going to use the app inside to see if that does anything. So what I'll do is if it decides it's going to do the whole deal, I'll just speed the video up, you know. You know, it could get pretty boring watching this thing for umpteen minutes because this battery, the battery on this thing is pretty good. You know, my Up Air 1, I never used the GPS on mine because I think the GPS module in them is faulty. I only use the sport mode for that. Or, I don't know, I think it's sport mode. I think that's what they call it, but I think it's just like a non-GPS lock. Just turning off the GPS. That's the way I fly mine when I fly it. I don't hardly fly it anymore, so. You know, I don't see any of them errors coming up on the screen. You're just sitting there. My guess is the GPS module is faulty on these things. There it is. It says it disconnected, but then it reconnected, which it didn't do that before when I had it outside yesterday. When it said disconnected, it didn't say reconnect. It just disconnected. Wouldn't this be a great bird if it was, if the thing didn't have all these bugs? It'd be great. This thing would be fantastic if it didn't have these bugs. Now the 27 on the battery. So I'll probably just let it go. Well, I don't know what's built into the firmware as far as landing. Wait a minute. Yep. Okay, 15% is the auto land. So we'll just let it go until it does the auto land. There it goes. Okay. There it is. That was it. Alright guys, there you go. In my opinion, the GPS module's bad. And that's why it's doing this. It's got bad GPS module, and whenever you're outside and the GPS is on, that's when all the errors start flying in. So, alright. Have a nice day, guys.